VServe Infosystems is an IT services and system integration company providing advanced technology solutions in the field of IT infrastructure support, software, networking and cloud. Our vision is to be the technology partner of choice for forward-looking customer by transforming technology into business advantage. We encourage our associates to listen to the ideas, share their feedback so that we can make this organization a better, stronger and more able company.
VServe Infosystem is committed to deliver excellent customer services to our customer. Our aim is to ensure that the level of our services exceeds customer expectations.
We saw a vision of VServe and we made a mission and we achieved it. Hard times don't create the heroes. It is during the hard times when the hero within us is revealed.
Hi everyone, myself Lincoln Kathuria. In VServe, we work together across boundaries to meet our customer requirement or expectation and help our company win.
As a founder member of VServe, it's indeed a great pleasure to be a part of this young, dynamic, energetic and enthusiastic team. I'm really happy to see the progress that has been so far achieved. The credit goes to each and every member of this team who has contributed a lot in making this organization reach where it is today. VServe is our dream and this is the platform where you can make your dream come true.
VServe is built on a foundation of open and honest communication. We believe the only way to ensure success for our client and ourselves is to operate in a fully transparent manner. Our customer delight power our success and exceeding customer satisfaction is our belief.
Hello friends, my name is Swapnil Srivastav. I lead the service delivery team of VServe. Here we make sure orders are delivered to the best of our customer satisfaction. In VServe, we code the environment to be creative and implement new ideas.
As a founder member of the company, we are here to celebrate the success of our company, VServe.
Hello VServe team, I am Vishnu Vyas, Regional Manager MP. On the occasion of VServe Foundation Day 14 September, I want to congratulate all the VServe team from top to bottom to achieve this milestone of 3 years together. I would also like to thank our customers and clients who shows faith on us from the start of journey.
Dear friends, VServe embarked on its journey with a couple of employees in year 2016. Today, as we celebrate our 3rd anniversary, we take a moment to pause and reflect on multi-fold growth in our IT services business.
My name is Giriraj Rathore. I am working here as a regional manager and we are providing 24/7 services and we have more than 20,000 bank branches in India.
Working with VServe has been a fantastic experience. I find the team here is always so dynamic and energetic. In VServe, we always believe customer service is part of a holistic customer experience capable of providing competitive advantage and bring values for our customers. In each of our customer interaction and engagement, we strive to excel the requirements of customers so that we build up a long-term relationship with them.
No matter how big or small a project is, it will be delivered with the highest quality. At VServe, we know that what customer wants, why we are here, and that we place unwavering focus on customer satisfaction.
On the occasion of Foundation Day 14th September, as a founder member of VServe Infosystems, I would like to congratulate to all the members of VServe family. We started this journey 3 years back by analyzing that this service sector needs a company which does not work as a vendor but work as a partner. We as a team got success by taking customer feedback and implementing them in our daily operations.
Hello, I'm Komal. I've been working here since 1.5 years and I feel that it's a very comfortable and very friendly environment to work with. Here directors and managers are also very friendly, so you can speak of anything and everything you want to. Lastly, I said that I feel very proud to be called as a VServian.
We will continue with the same mission in our future journey ahead.
By 2020, we aspire to be a global company.
कौन कहता है आसमां में छेद नहीं हो सकता, बस एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो.
Difficult roads always leads to beautiful destination. And cheers to VServe.
VServe!